You may have watched a lot of videos on my YouTube channel related to the Infinix mobile phones. So recently I didn't made a lot of more videos for the upcoming phone of the Infinix. But today in this video we are going to talk about the Infinix Hot series, because Infinix launched this new phone known as Infinix Hot 8. As usual, Infinix Hot series is a very efficient and the budget friendly for those who want to purchase a phone at the low budget, so they can buy the phones from this series. So in this video we're going to talk about the features of Infinix Hot 8 and what are the disadvantages if you buy Infinix Hot 8. So without wasting time, let's continue the video. But before moving on, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So either like this video or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to notify for the more videos. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Samnog, you're watching Daily Tutorial. This video is related to Infinix Hot phone, which is recently released in September in many countries. So in this video we're going to talk about the features and either you should buy this phone or not. So first we will talk about the features, then we will talk about what are the pros, and then we will talk about what are the cons if you purchase this phone. So the main feature of this phone is the big display of 6.52 inches, and as usual you can see the big battery having 5000 mAh battery storage and 2 ampere charger, which can charge your phone in 3 hours, and after this you can use your phone for almost 4 days. In this phone you can have the triple cameras at the back. At the front you have a single camera, but from the triple cameras at the back the primary camera is 13 megapixel and at the front we have the 8 megapixel for the selfies. And this phone comes with the fingerprint sensor and including the face unlock feature. This phone comes with the 2GB RAM and 4GB RAM, including the 32GB and 64GB storage with the expandable memory. So as per my thinking, these are the basic features of this phone. So let's talk about the pros of this phone. So if you need a bigger display with bigger battery and fast charging, including the expandable storage, and with the look and feel and the triple cameras at the back with the lower budget in $100, then you can purchase this phone. Now let's talk about what are the cons of this phone. So if you are a gaming person, then you can't play the games on this phone, and if you are a very heavy user, then your phone might get hanged while doing the processes. So I think this is the all from my side. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, so either like or dislike, but do subscribe and don't forget to notify for the more video. Thank you for watching, take care, see you next time.